I have 8 minus 5 times x equals negative 2. Right away, I remember hearing myself say minus 5x, 5 times x. So I'm going to get rid of this minus right here to start with because I like my x to be positive. To do that, I'm just going to change all my signs. It's like multiplying through by a negative 1. Now my x term is positive. I'm going to make my line down through the equal sign, which separates the two sides. I'm going to box off the term with the x because that's the last thing we do. Anything on the same side with that box has to be gone. We have to move it to the other side. We have a negative 8 sitting here. How am I going to get rid of that? I'm going to neutralize it by making it a positive 8. If I do it to one side, I've got to do it to the other. Now, negative 8 and positive 8 is 0. It's gone. I can bring down my 5x equals 2 and 8 is 10. But I don't want 5x. That's 5 times x. I want x. They're timesing, so we're going to divide. And whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. These will reduce to 1. And 10 divided by 5, 2.